Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you one of my lesson. The boy name is Ivan. He's now 7 years old. He's a recreational player. I used to call him a recreational player because he used to play weekly once. Not only he, in China, most of academy, I can say 70% of academy, the player, they used to play weekly once or twice. So according to the situation, we should have the lesson plan. So here we are in Suzhou city. We have already done our active warming exercises. Next we step into the shadow swing, which is most essential in tennis. It is not only for beginner or novice players. Shadow swing is fundamental for any level tennis players. So today we used a stepper to practice shadow swing so that the player can understand tennis is all about lower extreme. So today I let him to practice all the footwork pattern with stepper. Not only forehand and backhand shadow swing. So with the use of stepper, he also done his service shadow swing. So it's not bad. Ivan's development is getting every class he has shows his interest, and also he's getting improvement now. So right now Ivan, he used to play weekly once, or very rare he used to play with weekly twice, and almost 1 year passed. So his performance is not bad. He's getting improvement now. So next we did our passive warming up, which we used to called mini tennis rally. So here me and Ivan, you can see the Ivan's basic forehand and basic backhand. So it's not bad. So recently I have changed him to play green ball. So when I start to teach him, so first we start with the red ball, now orange ball. So recently, I think nearly this month starting, I start to change him. We change him to play green ball. So he shows up very well. He coming up very well. So let's see next his improvement, the level he play. So it's all about in China the timing. In most of kids, they play good, but they don't have enough time to practice. As I told you all, recently I start to teach him tennis serve. So here we are. Next our progression going on now. So he used to play weekly one. So what I did is here. So every my class I just put the combination drill, which is included with the overhead activities, so that when he do serve, he don't feel serve is much difficulty for him. So you can see here this drill, I let him to play left side and one in two hand backhand, and then right side he have to catch the ball and toss the ball himself and hit the ball over the net at anywhere, so that he will get more confident. Not only for the confident, it's all about muscle memory. So in tennis, serve and overhead activities are a little bit similar except the backswing. So here we are activating Ivan's shoulder muscle, which going to be useful for his tennis serve. So in this combination drill, so indirectly we are teaching him his tennis serve also. So but we didn't inform him he's doing tennis serve. So we should not explain too many things to the kids, so they get confused, so they think tennis is hard. So we have to introduce the kids as tennis is more easy for them. So I just told him, so hold the ball with the left hand and toss the ball and hit at anywhere. So in toss also is going to be more difficult before they're going to do service. So this kind of drill will help them to do the proper toss as well. It's not about proper toss, to practice more and more. The more they practice, the more they get confident. The confidence is key for us. So this is what we are doing now. So afterward we have done some of the rally from the baseline to baseline. So the green ball baseline. So you can see the Ivan progression now. So you can't believe in China the kids can play weekly once. So anyhow we have to accept. Right now I'm in China 7 years. So most of the foreign coaches, we had same issue in China. Most of the kids, they have more ability to come up in tennis. They have more potential to play performance level, but the problem is the lack of timing. They don't have much more time to practice, because they need to focus on many variety of activities. So thank you all for watching the video. See you all in next our class. Your feedbacks are welcomes.